If you're looking for a convenient and flexible way to enjoy your favorite McDonald's meals, then the McDonald's gift card is here to make your dining experience even more enjoyable. Now, these gift cards are not only a thoughtful present for friends and family, but they also come with the added benefit of flexibility. With the ability to use these gift cards at any of the 13,000 plus participating McDonald's location across the US, whether you're at the drive-thru, register, or kiosk, you have the freedom to choose how you'd like to savor your McDonald's favorites. However, it's important to note that as of now, you can't use gift cards as a payment method directly within the McDonald's app. While you can enjoy the convenience of using your gift card in store, unfortunately, the app doesn't currently support this payment method. So when you're all set to make your order through the McDonald's app, you will need to rely on other payment options, whether it's card payments, mobile wallets, or other methods accepted by the app. There are various ways to conveniently pay for your McDonald's treats. While the app might not be compatible with the gift cards just yet, it's always a good to explore the available payment options for a smooth and delicious experience. So the next time you're planning to relish those iconic McDonald's flavors, consider the convenience of using a McDonald's gift card for your in-store visits. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.